In today's video, I'm going to talk about tips and tricks for developing, dialing in, and implementing a trading plan. Welcome back, everyone. Lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bowen here. If you follow any of the podcasts, the Steady Trade podcast, if you watch any of my recap videos on StocksToTrade and our YouTube channel, you'll hear me say trading plan, have a plan. You probably hear me say it so many times you get tired of hearing me say it, but it is so important to have a plan before you enter a trade. The famous Mike Tyson quote, I love to use it, is everybody has a plan till they get punched in the face. But I tell you, if you go into a fight without a plan, you're truly doomed. And really developing this plan with good entries, exits, goals, and stop losses is the golden ticket to really getting consistently profitable over time. If you're buying hot tips, if you're buying off of a newsletter, if you're following somebody on Twitter, if somebody at the Whole Foods gives you a hot stock tip, you're never going to be consistently profitable. You have to have your own process, your own dialed in methodology and plan. So what are the biggest tips to actually creating a trading plan? I've got about half a dozen things I look for in these trades, and I talk about this in StocksToTrade Pro all the time, I call it building the case, okay? I'll also use, pieces of the recipe, because if you're buying a stock based on one factor, odds of success, you may win, you may lose, but your odds of success are lower. You want to put as many factors in your favor as possible. You want to plan this battle plan out. You want the Air Force with you. You want the Marines with you. You want everybody lined up ready to attack this stock. So, number one to focus on is look for charts that are what we call clean. So when I say a clean chart, particularly talking about buying a stock, you're looking for charts that are breaking out to new levels, not long-term downtrending charts. In my opinion, and I think many well-respected traders will mirror this opinion, trying to bottom feed, trying to pick, beat down stocks that could bounce is not a consistently profitable strategy. You want to find strong stocks that are breaking out, that are on everybody's scanners. Those are the ones that are most likely to get more buyers. Number one, clean charts, breakouts, 52-week highs, 5-year highs, 1-year highs, all-time highs. Next, look for a catalyst. We often trade, a lot of us, especially day traders, will trade stocks that are just moving for no reason. It happens. It's not really a consistent strategy if you're new, because you got to be so quick with your entries and exits and so disciplined with your entries and exits. If you're new, looking to develop a strategy, look for stocks with a catalyst. When I say catalyst, it could be many things. Could be a contract win. Could be earnings announcements. We love earnings winners at 52-week highs. Could be a partnership with another stock. And then another one that we like is what's called hot sectors. At the time we're recording this video, in late 2018, cannabis stocks, weed stocks, very strong. You get a cannabis stock that has a new product, particularly like a CBD drink, these stocks have been ripping over and over again. So we got a clean chart, we got a catalyst. The next thing we're looking for is stocks that have ran in the past. Mark Twain said it, I think, I reuse this quote a lot, but the history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. And how's that apply to stock trading? Stocks that have ran in the past tend to run again. So bring up your StocksToTrade or whatever charting platform you're on, look at the past. Has this stock made big moves in the past? If it hasn't, it's less likely to repeat, it can't repeat a move it's never made in the past. You're reducing your chance that this stock is going to break out. So now you've got 3 or 4 criteria, what makes it a good stock. How do you execute a trading plan? Next, you're going to look at that daily chart, that 1-year, 1-day chart we talk about all the time. And you're going to look for key support and resistance levels on that chart. Stocks tend to spike, consolidate, and either fail or re-break out. So as you're looking at that stock that has these criteria we talked about, you want to buy as that stock breaks to new levels, and then you stop, you take your stop loss, because remember, not all trades are going to be winners. You're going to be a loser. You know, some of the best baseball players out there get a hit 3 out of 10 times. Trading, very similar. You got to manage your losses, take smart losses so that you can stay in the game. So look to base your risk off those previous support and resistance levels, because you don't have a trade plan if you don't have a stop. If you don't go into that trade with a stop loss in mind, you're just gambling, you're hoping, and hope, just like there's no crying in baseball, there's no hope in stock trading. If you're hoping for anything, you're doomed. So now you've got your stop determined, you've got your entry determined, and then your goal, especially in day trading and swing trading, you're looking for that 3-to-1 risk to reward on the chart. What's that mean? If you're risking 20 cents on your chart, you're looking to take a reasonable goal of, say, a 60-cent gain. You risk 20 cents to potentially make 60 cents. If you're risking $1 on this chart, say it's a $10 stock and you're risking $9 level, you're looking to make that $3 profit goal. So now you're buying at 10, you're risking 9, and your goal is 13. In momentum stocks, we don't overstay. We don't get greedy. There's all those analogies about getting greedy, hogs make money, pigs get slaughtered, etc. Have realistic expectation, base it off the chart, build the case, and that's the best way to build a trading plan and get that much closer to being a consistently profitable trader. Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bowen here. We'd like to thank you for watching our videos. We really want to help you learn, grow, and evolve and become a consistently profitable trader. We're proud of the tools we built in StocksToTrade and want to help you maximize your success. Be sure to check out the other videos over there, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.